If you want to see a pat of butter, I'm going to show you a pat of butter. If you want to see a pat of butter, I'm going to show you a pat of butter. Definitely count your blessings and just keep everyone in your thoughts that are affected by Hurricane Helene. I am definitely very grateful that no one in my family got hurt. Just think about all those people that are locked in their homes, and they have fallen trees, fallen power lines on both sides of their homes or their apartments. A lot of apartments got hit with trees or they got flooded. Even someone in our neighborhood, the city water tank got hit, and they live at the bottom of a hill, so their home is getting flooded. That was the only home that got flooded in my neighborhood, but still, just really keep everyone in your thoughts. Today is September 28th, and as of this morning, I heard from my sister-in-law who lives about 15 minutes away. She said that there's been some looting going on, and there's that one gas station that's open in the communities. You know, you can only imagine how much that's getting utilized and how much people need right now. I am very grateful and lucky. If you're able to help someone, please do. My neighbor gave me a bag of ice. I'm hoping to give some other people stuff as much as we can. You know, we will be out of electricity for 10 days, they said. Who knows if that's going to get better. My husband actually just went to work this morning, and so, you know, we're still going to have to work through this. A lot of the hospitals and prisons do have generators. He doesn't work at either of those, but still, you know, people are still expected to work in these conditions. No working traffic lights and barely anything to buy as far as groceries and toiletries. If you're able to help someone, please do. Some ideas would be, if you are up north and they have the ability to come up there and stay with you for a few days or a couple days, that's fine. You know, Venmoing someone some money. If you're able to provide some non-perishables if you're local, see if I can reach my family on the other side of town. But we do have some bottled water left, but just really keep folks in your thoughts. You know, people may not have electricity to text back, so, you know, any positive thoughts or vibes or prayers, if you pray, are very much appreciated. If you can put people on the list, if they've had trees fallen down, you can call local agencies, because what if the person that got affected doesn't have electricity or enough battery to call? My neighbor actually just got a tree company to go look at her backyard. So there's definitely a lot of work going on right now in the community. There's a lot of tree companies and people working overtime, and locals, utilizing their machines or tree stuff. But we need all the help we can get. There's several power lines down everywhere you go. Just really think about people who may be affected by this. I mean, even North Carolina is affected. Wow, I'm sweaty. I've been at a campfire all morning. Not asking for any particular help. I just want folks to know what's going on from a local perspective, and just be grateful, be mindful. I mean, this is not expected at all. So, we don't really have the infrastructure to prepare for something like this. And that's just another thing to think about. Are you having fun? What can you tell us about the aftermath of Hurricane Helene, huh? Can you tell us anything? Too distracted. All right, we'll talk to you later, okay? That is all. I hope y'all have a good day, good rest of your day. I will post some resources as far as just some ideas of how you can help if you're not affected by this and you'd like to help, or if you're able to help in general. Other than that, I appreciate y'all being here, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.